Hi everyone, welcome to another C tutorial here on IT.tutorials. I am Josef Botnar. Today I talk about C editors versus IDEs. Choosing the best tool for C programming, either C editors or IDEs. When coding in C, developers have two primary choices, either using a lightweight text editor or a full-fledged integrated development environment, the short name IDE. Both options have their advantage, and which one to use depends on programming needs of the programmers, obviously. This tutorial will explore the key features of text editors and IDEs, helping you probably determine which suits your workflow best. Let's start with text editors for C programming. Text editors are simple, lightweight tools designed for writing and editing code. They lack advanced features like debugging and project management, but offer flexibility and speed. Let's see a few key features of text editors as following. Lightweight and fast. That means they consume fewer system resources, making them ideal for quick edits and low-spec machines. Another key feature, it could be syntax highlighting. Most of the editors support C syntax highlighting, improving readability. So it's easy to read the code, the C code, if these editors support the C syntax highlighting. Another key feature is customization and plugins. Most of these editors comes with extensions and plugins. So users can use the functionality of these extensions and plugins, and most of these plugins come with compilers integrated, which most of these text editors are lack. Another key feature is terminal integration. Most of text editors allow running C compilers like GCC or CLang directly from the terminal. Another key feature is cross-platform compatibility. These text editors work, many of them, across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Now, if you want to find out more details about text editors, I think the best option is to text in Google box the name of C editor, or you can write straight C editors, and it will come up here a lot of links, and maybe you will find this list of editors like Notepad++, Sublime Text, Brackets, Atom, Emacs, Vim. All these are text editors. If you want to find out information, more detailed information about each of them, you just type here in the Google box the name of the editor, like Notepad++. And here will come it come up, as you can see, the original site. Click on the link, and on the left side there is a link to download, and you can download Notepad++, and you can use it. Let's move on and let's see more information about, for example, Vim. And here is the original site. Click on this link, and here appears quite a lot of information on the main page. Also on the left side you have a link for documentation and download. As you can see, you can download from this page this Vim text editor for Windows, for Unix, for Macintosh, or other platforms. Yeah, let's check another text editor. It could be this Emacs. Yeah, let's find the original site. Is this one here. Here we have the download button, and here we have other versions if you want to download from this website. Another editor, text editor we can check, it could be this Sublime text. Yeah, here you go, and it came up on the top the original website. Click on this link. So here we have the download button for Windows. As you can see, we have here the link for support. You have here tutorials, and you can watch tutorials, and you can find out more about this Sublime text editor. Yeah. Also, you can use Visual Studio Code. You just type Visual Studio Code, and this link will come up probably on your screen also. Click on it, and you can download Visual Studio Code from this web page. Yeah, so this is the key features, and also, as you have seen, you can find out more information on Google. If you type the name of the editor, and you can download the editor suits you better from their original website. Let's talk now about the IDEs for C programming. Integrated Development Environment, or the short name IDEs, provide a comprehensive suite of tools to streamline the development process. They integrate code editing, compiling, debugging, and project management into a single interface. So into a single package, this IDE comes with code editor, with compiler, with debugging, and not last but at least the project management, which is very great. Let's see the main key features of IDEs. Built-in compiler and debugger. The IDEs include tools like GDB for debugging and built-in compilers, reducing setup hassle. Another key feature is code completion and suggestions. Intelligent features assist in writing efficient C code faster, like in Visual Studio the IntelliSense. Another key feature of the IDEs is project management. This project management allows the programmer to organize large projects with multiple files efficiently. Very important key features of IDEs is graphical user interface, GUI, which provides a structured layout for writing, compiling, and debugging code. Another key features of IDEs is integrated build system, supports for makefiles, CMake, and other build automation tools. The most popular C IDEs, it could be, for example, code blocks. So let's type here in Google box code blocks, and you can find out many information about this IDE. So let's see where is the original website. Is this one. Click on the link, and here on the left side you have the link for downloads, you have user manual, and so on. Another good C IDE, it could be this dev C++, and I would recommend you to use either this website, but better to use SourceForge to download this dev C++ IDE. A very good C editor is Eclipse. Yeah, and it came up the first link on this list. Click on it and you can download it from this button. You have resources up here, documentation, and you can find out more information about this Eclipse. The last but not the least is Visual Studio. It came up this link. Click on it And here, if you click on Free Visual Studio, actually you can find both items of Microsoft, either Visual Studio Community, which is the free version for Visual Studio, and Visual Studio Code also. Now you should know that there is online editors as well, and these online editors are very at hand, and you don't need to download and you don't need to install anything in your computer, and you can straight to code online in the browser. So let's check a few C online editors. They are very simple, and as I said, you can start to code straight away in the browser. One of them is this Programmis. Click on this link. As you can see, you have in here an example of C code, but let's change this text. Let's write here, for example, hello IT.tutorials, yeah, exclamation sign. Click on this button run, and on the right side you have the outcome, yeah. So this is Programmis, so you can write here C code without any problem. You don't need to download, you don't need to install in your computer anything, so it's very, very easy. This GDB online debugger, another online editor, the same. Click on this run button and the outcome will be displayed here down in this console, hello world, yeah, and so on. We have this W3 Schools C online compiler, and here also you can learn C. You can see you have a lot of tutorials about C. If you want to use the editor, just click on this button, try it yourself, and click on run button, and on the right side will be displayed the outcome, as you can see. Yeah, and not the last but the least is this Replit, which was free, still to be free, but just up to 3 apps. If you want to sign up to code in C in Replit, you just use your Google account, or you can use your email and your password. Yeah, I've got an account opened here in this Replit. Let's log in. But as I said, the things are changed now in your Replit. You can't you can't create unlimited apps here for now. Before you could code and create applications unlimited, but now you can't. You are restricted up to 3 public apps, and there is a pricing. Yeah, already I wrote 3 apps in C, and if I need to upgrade now because I reached my limits, so yeah, I have to go here and upgrade to Replit Core, and I have to pay, as you can see. Not just me, everyone needs to pay. Then if you want to find out about the pricing, you can just click here on upgrade to Replit Core, and here is the pricing. Okay, so that's all about editors versus IDEs. Which one should you choose? If you prefer speed, flexibility and minimalism, a text editor is a great choice because his flexibility and simplicity. If you need debugging, project management and automation, an IDEs is a better option in my opinion. So let me to tell you the final thoughts. Both C editors and IDEs have their place in software development in my opinion. Beginners might find IDEs more supportive because they are built-in tools, while experienced programmers might favor text editors for their simplicity. Ultimately, the best tool depends on your workflow, project size and personal preference, in my opinion. So that was my C tutorial for today with regard to C editors versus IDEs. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. I'm waiting for you to watch my other tutorials if you want, of course, and see you next time. Bye bye, have a lovely day.